Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can use the cropping tool to crop images and photos to a specific size, for example, or aspect ratio in 2026 on Microsoft Designer. So let us get started. Head over to your photo editor on Designer, upload your photo, and at the top of the photo editor, of course, you will see the crop and rotation tool. Click into it. And then guys, there are several options. You may use the auto crop feature here to let Designer do it. For example, Designer, as you can see, has chosen this option here, or this cropping. Let me just press Ctrl Z to undo this. Option number 2, you choose a custom aspect ratio here to the left, or one of these presets like 16:9, square, 4:3, and see the results here to the right. You may rotate your image within that frame, or flip it horizontally, vertically, to find your preferred setup. And then we got also option number 3. Let me undo this again. Crop and rotate, and then you may use these corners and edges here to apply a custom cropping. Left click into them, and highlight the area of the image you would like to keep, and that's it. Press enter, for instance, and that's how it, or click into done here, that's the custom cropping. That's how it works. Let me again press Ctrl Z. That's it guys, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.